Hello. Let's see, how do we import the actions? If you cannot see the Actions menu, go to Window, Actions.
Look at the sky.
There are multiple ways to add the action to the menu. One way, and the simplest one, is to go to the Action folder and just double-click on it. Photoshop will automatically add it. I will remove the action, and try to add it in another way. You just simply drag and drop the action in Photoshop. I will remove the action, and try to add it in another way. Click File. Select Open. Search for the folder where the action menu is located. Click Open. The action menu will be available for you. The brush can be added in same way. The brush can be added in same way. You can drag and drop in Photoshop. You can double click on it. After that, search for the brush in the brush menu.